I'm a doctor, James Seligman. I practice as an orthopedic surgeon in Toronto. Married with my wife, 4 children who are no longer living with us, but they bring their grandchildren here on a regular basis. When we bought the house, we weren't thinking clearly that we were sort of getting up into our senior years. And after we've been here for 7 years now, being on the 3 different levels and high ceilings, there's a lot of stairs. Last year, for medical reasons, I had to move out of the house on a number of occasions because I couldn't go up and down the stairs, which wouldn't have been a problem if I had the elevator then. When there's a lot of stairs going up and down in our late 60s, it's nice to have. You may go up and down the first time, but if you have to go a second and third time, you use the elevator. So we researched all the different elevators. And I've seen the progress of the Nibav through to now, which is the 3rd generation. It looks fantastic. A piece of furniture, that fits beautifully into our home. The design is superb. To us, modern design sells itself. And coming into our house where we had the perfect place to put it, it looks like it's just a natural part of the home. Anytime guests are here that haven't seen it, they're blown away by how it just looks unbelievable. The safety could not be better. It's superb. 4 and 6-year-old grandchildren visit, have the time of their life going in the elevator. It has safety features which are great in that you can turn it off, that the buttons don't work so they can't get into it uncontrolled. And if they or anybody else were to get caught, there's release systems that it would allow it to open up, and you really can't get caught in the elevator. So that's been a really, really nice thing to have. I would highly recommend it. It's given us peace of mind for access within the house. It's corrected an error that we made 7 years ago, that we didn't think of an elevator in the house that we were looking for. And it's there, and as far as I'm concerned, it enhances the value of our home as well. 100% thumbs up.